Today I'm going to show you how I've saved over $10,000 giving myself a haircut. If you got the time, you can save a lot of money. Let me show you what I'm using. So just a simple hair cutting kit, pair of cutters. I use a 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch, a bathroom mirror, and it also helps to have a handheld mirror as well. I use one looks like this, just a cheap little Walmart handheld mirror. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with the 1/4 inch. Just put that on your cutter, and then I go ahead and cut everything, my whole head, with the 1/4 inch to start. Then I'll get my handheld mirror and just double check the back. Look for any spots that I may have missed. And that looks pretty good. Maybe one spot here. And then it's time to switch. I just cut mine over the sink with the drain. I plugged the drain and let it all fall into the sink, and then it's real easy to clean up. So I'm going to switch that one out. And I'm going to go with the 1/8 inch. This is to go around the sides and the back. And I just go right up to the edge of my head where I kind of define the difference between the side and the top. So far, that's what it looks like. So if you can see where the difference between the 1/8 inch and the 1/4 inch, and then what I do next is I'll take the cutter, and it has this little adjuster on the side, and it raises it up just a little tiny bit. I'll make it the longer length, and then I'll go over that transition between the short and the 1/4 inch, just to kind of feather the two in together. Now a quick check and see if it all looks like it should. See if there's any spots that need touched up or any place that I've missed. Just one little spot. I take this all the way to the short setting with no adapter on there whatsoever, and I go all the way around, taper up from my neck, up around the ears and sideburns, and get all that done with as short as I can possibly make it. Then I check it with the mirror. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you got a decent shot of that. And then I'm going to do just like I did before. Move that up. See how that moves up? Make it longer, and then blend between the shaved part and the 1/8 inch up around the top, and back here at the transition. I take one last look at it, and I think it looks pretty good. Last thing I'll do is just clean up my mess in the sink. And that's all there is to it. So I've been doing that for 30 years. I've saved over $10,000 just giving myself a haircut. Today, just now, would that take 15-20 minutes max? and I saved myself a minimum of $20. So that'll buy me dinner. Thanks for watching, guys.